red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, blue color, blue color, black color, black color, green color, green color, white color, white color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids now draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use yellow color, yellow color. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. It's again use yellow color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. It's neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use blue color, blue color. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids again use blue color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use blue color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids neither V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use black color. W for wolf, W for watch. X for x-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, blue color, blue color, black color, black color, green color, green color, white color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1, O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-W 3. Kids now 4. The numbers of 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5. Kids now 6. The numbers of 6, and use yellow color, yellow color. S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E and 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. It's again use yellow color and draw 9. The numbers of 9, N, I, N, E, 9, 10, T, E, and 10. Kids, Nidra, 11. The numbers of 11. And here's blue color, 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids, Nidra, 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, Nidra, 16. The numbers of 16. And here's black color, 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. And 19. The numbers of 19. Kids, again use black color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Yellow color, black color, blue color, red color, green color, white color. Kids, now coloring 2D shapes. Kids, first draw Easter. The shape of Easter, and use yellow color. Kids, now the pentagon. The shape of pentagon, and use black color. Kids, neither square. The shape of square, and use blue color. The shape of square, and use blue color. Kids, neither triangle. The shape of triangle, and use red color. Kids, neither circle. The shape of circle, and use green color. The shape of circle. Kids, neither trapezium, the shape of trapezium, and use white color, the shape of trapezium. Kids, today draw star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle, trapezium. Yellow color, black color, blue color, red color, green color, white color. Kids, now coloring alphabets, numbers, and 2D shapes. Kids, first draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use yellow color. Kids, now draw B for ball, B for bat, and use black color. The alphabets of B. Kids, neither C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use blue color. Kids, neither D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use red color. Kids, neither E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use green color. Kids, neither numbers, and first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use yellow color. O N E 1. Kids, neither 2, the numbers of 2, and use black color. T W or 2, the numbers of 2. Kids, neither 3, the numbers of 3, and use blue color. T H R W 3. Kids, neither 4, the numbers of 4, and use red color. F O U R for kids night 5. The numbers of 5 and use green color F I V E 5. The numbers of 5 and use green color kids neither shapes. And first is a triangle, the shape of triangle, and use yellow color kids neither circle, the shape of circle, and use black color, the shape of circle. Kids neither heart, the shape of heart, and use blue color, the shape of heart. Kids neither Easter, the shape of Easter, and use red color, the shape of Easter. Kids neither pentagon, the shape of pentagon, and use green color, the shape of pentagon. Kids let's take a square, the shape of square, and use white color, the shape of square. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.